I don't know which side you want me on.
I don't know, whichever side works best.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. We're tired already. So we're renovating downstairs, doing some touch-up work, and part of it is we're changing out, well, we're painting all the doors because they needed to be painted, and we're changing out all the lock sets. Our home has these egg-shaped from Better Home Products. We did a warranty on one of those previously. We have a video on that, on how to replace that. You can't order straight from them. That would have been too easy for us. So we were looking at getting Kwikset. It has an egg-shaped one that's very similar. It's a little different, but we figured it would be okay. I'm familiar with the Kwikset brand. We ended up online at ebuilderdirect.com. They had the Kwiksets, and they had another one that was more of a builder grade for significantly less money. We have repented of that, but it's too late. They look fine. This is a privacy one. We needed a bunch of these, and this door is going to go in a bathroom, so it needs that. The drawback is that in the hardware on these, they all come with this style of latch. And all of our doors that we're taking off have the little round one that just hammers in there. So we need to cut out for this here. And I suck with a wood chisel. So doing it by hand produced disastrous results. So now what we did is we got online. They make different jigs for doing door handle sets that you put them on here. It comes with a hole saw for drilling these. These already had knobs. These holes are already drilled. So we really didn't need that. But this one was the cheapest one we could find on Lowe's or anywhere. That came with a little template and a little drill bit, router bit that you might want to get real close to this, love. So it's got the bit down here, and this will fit through and sits in that template, and you just route it out like that, and then you can just pop the rest out with a chisel. Make two little holes there through this template, and then hold this on the door and route it out. And we're hoping that this is going to work good for us. This was like just over $15. The rest of them are about $30. And we've got about a dozen doors to do, so we're hoping it will hold up and last for that many. We did look at Ryobi makes a tool that's kind of similar, that you just hammer on there, and then it's got a little chisel built on it. We opted to get this one instead because we're still in the middle of working on another project where we will have to drill for the lock set, and so instead of freehanding that, we'll have this, and it'll serve double duty. So that was why we opted for this. So this is a combination review of this and how to use it and how we fix this door, and then we'll have a whole bunch more of these doors. So the first thing we're going to do is put this on here, holes. Right?
Mark your holes as first.
So there's two different sizes.
And maybe you should do it before we painted the door. That you just scraped it.
Yep. So now we know to do this before we paint the door. I'm just trying to figure out which one's the big one, which is the small one. I guess I could put my glasses on.
Okay.
I don't see a clear marking. And I've got the one here just to kind of line me up that way. Did you want to? Actually,
what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. That's the problem.
I don't think that marked anything.
Nope. It didn't. Okay. How about like that? Does that mark it?
That works it. I don't know which side you want me on since you walked in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of you might be wondering, I do not have a router. Now in theory, hinges on this side.
What?
Which way does it go?
I don't know.
So the hinge.
Well, you can set it in there
Here.
because we can't put it in yet because I got to paint the door. So you can set it in the way it's supposed to. So it fits in there.
Yeah, so looks like trading spots.
Yes.
Just a little bit of cleanup, looks like.
So not too bad.
Not too bad.
Better than tracing and chiseling it.
Yes, which we have tried previously, and there it goes.
Okay, so
Right in.
that's where it's in. Okay. All
And you can
right.
see it fits in like it's supposed to in the hole,
Okay.
and then we'll have to adjust it. I think that's where we want it, right in the middle, not the other position.
Okay.
This is adjustable for different 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. We'll go like that, and then it either go that way or that way once we figure that out. So
All right.
that's how we use this Craftsman jig for
Changing out the
mortising out the latch assembly. It can also be used for drilling the doorknobs. We may try to catch that as well.
Well, on another door.
But it's not an actual door. That's on our lawnmower thing under the stairs. It's kind of a design build
It keeps going.
made out of scrap parts thing.
Yeah.
So, but this worked really well. I'm very happy with how that turned out.
Okay. Thanks for watching.